Since the past couple of years, we've been witnessing a paradigm shift from heavy and large bulky gaming mouse to feather-like ultralight gaming mouse. And to dominate in this race of ultralight gaming mouse in the Indian market, HyperX has finally launched their Pulsefire Haste gaming mouse in India. You know what's the crazy part about it? That it's just 59 grams in weight. Let's check out how crazy this mouse is. This is Toaster Roaster, and today in this video we're gonna discuss if the HyperX Pulsefire Haste is India's new favorite gaming mouse. Let's look at the specifications of this gaming mouse first. As it's stated on the box, it is just 59 grams in weight, and it also comes with a HyperFlex cable, which means the cable attached to it won't hinder your gaming experiences, it won't put any weight on your mouse, and it won't hinder your gaming experience. Talking about the sensor of this mouse, it comes with Pixart 3335 sensor, which is quite popular, so your precision is guaranteed, and it also supports DPI up to 16,000. But to me, it doesn't make sense to use an ultralight mouse at a higher DPI. I would go all the way down to 400 DPI and utilize the ultralight factor to flick at low DPI without losing my precision. But at the end of the day, it's a personal choice. If you're a low DPI gamer, if you're a high DPI gamer, you do you. Now let's hop on to the unboxing of this mouse. So opening up the box, we find the mouse itself very well packaged within the box. With that, you'll find user manuals, warranty cards. Apart from that, you also find a set of grips that you can use on your mouse and customize your grip according to your preference, which is quite interesting to me. Now let's focus on the mouse. It comes with an ambidextrous design, and the first thing that you will notice is the honeycomb pattern on the top, which makes it ultra light. On the left side, you'll see HyperX branding and the two thumb buttons. You don't find any rubber grip on the body itself, which isn't a problem because HyperX gives you a set of grips that you can apply if you need it. The mouse has customizable RGB light on the scroll wheel, which can be customized using the Ngenuity software, and the DPI switch is placed below the scroll wheel. When pressed, it will change color on the scroll wheel, which will indicate the level of your DPI. The clicks feel tactile enough and the side buttons are fairly placed. I have secretly tested this mouse on my live streams for more than a week now, and now it has become my partner in crime. Flicking has become even easier because of its ultralight nature. What more can an opera demand, right? This mouse seems to be shaped for claw grip gamers and fingertip grip gamers. I'm a palm grip gamer, and I personally haven't found any issues with gripping this mouse with palm grip, and it works perfectly fine for me. I guess this mouse perfectly suits the HyperX tagline. We're all gamers. Wait, there's more to it. This mouse is priced at 3,890 rupees, which makes it the most affordable ultralight gaming mouse in Indian market with top tier performance. I have made the switch. What about you? Let me tell you one thing. Once you go ultralight, there's no way going back. If you're interested in buying this mouse, check the first link in the description. Also, if you have any doubts related to gaming, streaming or this mouse, you can feel free to connect with me on my Instagram or drop a message on my live streams. I stream every night at 9 PM on this YouTube channel, so make sure to tune in then. Till then, have fun. I'm gonna see you on my streams. Bye.